It's been a while since I've done a video. I've primarily been working on bodywork, which isn't very interesting to watch somebody doing a lot of sanding. So for bodywork tips, I think the best place I've found on YouTube is Paint Society. He does some awesome videos, and I've looked at a ton of those to really help me out. But I'll give you a little tour of the progress I have so far. But primarily been bodywork, but got a few other things. I got seats mounted in the car. So we'll walk you around and give you a look at it. I have a techno tuning harness bar mounted, fits great, looks really good. So I got that in there. OMP classic seats, Momo steering wheel in and mounted. I do have a short adapter hub on it because it's a deep dish wheel. Unfortunately, the horn button doesn't fit, so I'll have to make sort of an adapter for the horn button so it'll go in and not hit the jam nut. The whole pedal cluster is redone with the column support, and everything's all been painted. Everything's a little dusty right now, but you can kind of get a good look at what it looks like. So making some good progress. The plan is to get it all blocked out. I'll probably spray high build next, block it all out one more time, and then hopefully by the end of the month we'll get some paint on it, and I'll make sure I do some videos of that. You can see the paint going on and see what it looks like when it's done. But in general, it's looking really good. So, and it's good just to see some parts back on it because they've been sitting in the attic for a long time. I got all the gaps worked out on the hood and the access doors and the cowl and everything, so all that's looking pretty good. So basically, as far as initial body work and filling, I just need to do the access doors and the headlight buckets, and then once I get those done, then it's just a matter of going back over everything one more time with some high build and blocking it down to 400, and then it'll be ready for paint. So just a quick update. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks.